We want season 2. Are you guys hearing? We want season 2. Welcome to K-Drama Review with Shweta. Today we will be talking about Tale of the Nine-Tailed and Korean Gumyeon. It stars our very own handsome Lee Dong-wook with talented Jiboa and Boys Over Flower star Kim Bang. It aired from October 7th to December 3rd and it has an IMDb rating of 8.4. So let's get started with the review. The drama revolves around a nine-tailed fox, Eon, played by Lee Dong-wook, who fell in love with a human, played by Jaboa, and waiting for her to get reincarnated as she died 600 years ago due to their ill-fated relationship. But what grabs audiences' attention is not their love story, but the love-hate relationship that Eon shares with his brother Ranga, played by Kim Bang. Generally, K-dramas revolve around a love story, but this bromance is a breath of fresh air to the viewers. So I will be breaking this review into 4 parts. 1. Characters. Jaboa played the main female lead character of the series and is a strong independent woman and is ready to take on any difficulties thrown at her without losing hope. Her character is well written and well executed. She has done a tremendous job with her acting skills to bring Jia to life. Yeon's character, played by Lee Dong-wook, is charismatic, handsome, romantic, childish, and mysterious at the same time. Your heart will melt at his childish side. Your heart will flutter seeing his romantic and charismatic side. And his acting is top notch, which I do not need to mention. He's a great actor. So, his character is well balanced and well written and well executed. Next, we have Kim Bang. He is the surprise element in the drama. His acting was exceptional. Truth to be told, he was the cherry on the cake in the entire drama. You will hate him in the beginning for bringing difficulties upon Lee Dong-wook and Jaboa, but in the end your heart will ache for him because he felt so unloved and abandoned. You will feel that he is a bad guy in the series, but in the end you will see that he has a good heart and he is a good person. So the wide range of colors that he portrayed in a single character is worth applauding. He did an exceptional job with the character. If you want to watch this drama, please watch it for Kim Bang. According to me, he is the best in the series. His character, his acting, everything was awesome. So if you want to watch this drama, please watch it for him. So the next point comes the plot. So the plot is basically a nine-tailed fox who loved a human, but she died 600 years back due to their ill-fated relationship. And he waited for her to get reincarnated, and she gets reincarnated, but the same fate again repeats. So will he be able to save her this time? And in the mean process, we will see the love-hate relationship he has with his brother. Means after he lost Jaboa 600 years back, he left Ranga on his own, missed his brother, missed his love, his warmth. So he became rebellious and wanted to take revenge on him. But at the end, we will see that he just wanted to be loved. He wanted his brother's attention and just wanted to know that has he abandoned him or not. So the plot is quite interesting. If you are into fantasy dramas, then this is one for you. As this is a spoiler-free review, I won't disclose any other details in the video. So next comes the cinematography. The cinematography is very well done. Like when Eon enters in the first episode, he has a red umbrella with all men in black, points out the mysterious character that he's not from this world. He has a mysterious aura to him. So the cinematography is really well. The dark theme is well portrayed through camera, and also the love scenes. Oh my god. This series have some hot kiss scenes in the later episodes. So if you are a hopeless romantic, you will soon sing that clips. So next comes the impact. So this series has a really great impact on viewers because there is not a single episode you will get bored or you will lose interest. It keeps the audience hooked on the entire show. And the best part about this show is the impact it has on the last episode, which I will not disclose. You have to see it for yourself. That you will be on the edge of your chair and will scream, will we get a second season? Because something will happen that blow your mind. So it really have a good impact on the viewers, and it's already very popular series. So if you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it on Ratukan Wiki. And if you like my review, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And see you in my next video. Ta-da!